Good day everyone, especially to my instructor, Dr. Paulino R. Tagailo, sir. And by the way, I am Ludamay A. Relativo, BA Scream 3 Bravo. And today, I'm going to be sharing the 3 sets of 10 commandments of driving, as this is one of my activity in CDI 4, the traffic management and accident investigation with driving. So let's begin with the self-driving safety. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Number 4, I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at schools, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when cruising at intersections. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. And number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrians. So that would be all for the self-driving safety. And for the set number 2, here are the 10 commandments of road safety for self-traveler. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not taketh any chances. Number 5, thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on thy bride. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt keep thy distance. And number 10, thou shalt practice patience. And also the another 10 commandments for our last set, for set number 3, self-clearance. So number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come first serve vehicle. Number 9, on pedestrian. And for the number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. And that would be all. Thank you.